You ever felt the sting of a bad trade, or the frustration of watching your account balance drop, or the anxiety of chasing losses? Well, this video is for you. Today I'm going to be pulling back the curtain of the biggest mistake I made when I first started day trading. Mistakes that cost me thousands of dollars. And if you're new to trading or even been doing this for a while, stick around because avoiding these pitfalls can save you a lot of pain and a lot of money. Mistake number one, overtraded. I remember the first week I started trading, I was glued to the screen, jumping into every opportunity that I saw. It felt like the more I traded, the more I would make. Right? I was wrong. Overtrading can lead to burnout and unnecessary losses. The key to focus on is quality trades over quantity. Mistake number two, not having a plan. When I started, I didn't have a clear strategy. I was essentially just gambling. Imagine yourself driving around blindfolded. That would be a recipe for disaster. You need a solid trading plan that includes your entry and exit point, your risk management rule, and private target. Write it down and stick it in front of your computer screen or on the wall. Mistake number three, ignoring risk management. One of my biggest early losses came from not setting a stop loss order. I was so confident that the trade would turn around in my favor, but it didn't. Always protect yourself by never risking more than what you can afford to lose. A good rule of thumb is to risk only 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade. Mistake number four, chasing losses. This one hit close to home. After a big loss, I would try to make the money back immediately, which led to even more worse trades. It's a vicious cycle, so instead, guys, take a step back, clear your mind, stick to your trading plan. Remember this, even the best traders have losing days. Remember and take note. Mistake number five, falling for the hypes and tips. We've all seen those hot stock tips on social media promising quick profit. I fell for them too, and it didn't end well. Always do your own research and understand the fundamental before you jump into any trade. And mistake number six, the lack of having patience. I used to think I could become a successful trader overnight, but the reality is it takes time to develop your skills and build confidence. Be patient and keep learning, and practice with a demo account before you risk real money. Alright, those are the top mistakes I made when I first started to day trade. If you can avoid these, you will be well on your way to a more successful trading journey. Have you ever made these mistakes? Share your experience in the comment section below, and I'd love to hear from you. And if you find this video very helpful, please smash the like button. See you on the next one.